guys, what's up? I sold my friction drive motorized bike. I think I said that in a QT50 update, and now I got a 4-stroke 49cc bike. I was planning to record me building it, and I did, but for some reason the footage got deleted. I don't know how. Here it is. I built it up. It's a 4-stroke 49cc. I got the frame, the whole bike for 20 bucks, just like the bike, not the engine. It's a mountain bike, pretty old, but it works. Got this engine on Amazon for about 200 bucks. And it's been running pretty nice. I've been riding it for like about a week. I'm trying to sell it, 300 bucks. Should sell soon. The gas tank doesn't have no dents. This thing, I built it up really nice. A lot more reliable than them 2-strokes. The brakes suck, and the brake pads like completely like went away, so I gotta put new brake pads on it like right now.
Is that why your transmission's about to blow?
It's not about to blow. A lot of people have problems with these transmissions on these 4-strokes. They usually switch to a belt drive or something like that, but mine has been good so far. I actually opened up this case and greased up that chain. It's a really tiny chain, like I don't know how it's supposed to hold up. I greased it up and hopefully it lasts. I also gotta grease up the chain, I forgot about that. And the clutch is a little weird. It's a bit shaky on the start. The chain and sprocket is super straight. We got the whole exhaust on here. Makes it quieter. We took off the muffler cap the other day, and it sounds like a 4-stroke dirt bike. So yeah, this is the new build. I'm gonna, ow, freaking handlebars just hit me in the head. We're probably gonna go right around right now. Gerline found a motorized bike on OfferUp that we might pick up in a bit. But he also got this bike right here. It's a mountain bike. Guys, I'm back. I didn't record anything. We rode around a little bit. We're probably gonna ride later. But Anatoly and his little brother pulled up on their bikes, and Gerline actually just bought a bike off OfferUp.
And I'm about to hammer his camera.
We're gonna try to get it running. We got Anatoly's bike right here. Pretty nice.
We got my
yeah, we got her. I already showed yours. But guys, I broke 6 spokes on the sprocket side. So the wheel was actually wobbly. I actually tightened up the spokes, but I can't believe 6 of them broke. So I might have to get, if this breaks, I might have to get a new rear wheel. So I'm not gonna do no wheelies on this bike because the spokes will just break right away. Gerline's gonna try to get this thing running. This is Anatoly's little brother's bike. We got all the bikes. I'm the only one with the 4-stroke.
Water.
Ooh.
I think I could get it running.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, what the hell? Why
The gasket's blown.
blown gasket and water?
No, but I can get it running.
Wait, someone's shining a flashlight.
No, when you the sides are so clean. No, it's water. Look at the sides; they're hella clean. I want to see what mine looks.
Dang. Alright guys, what's up? That was the footage that you just saw was from yesterday. Is the next day. My whole rear wheel just clapped out on me yesterday, but Gerline had an extra one around, so he gave me that. Big thanks to Gerline. He's the homie. But right now, I'm gonna go ride with him. He needs his rear wheel trued a little bit, so I'm gonna get my spoke tool. And yeah, I just sold something, so I have to go to the bank and drop off the money. But yeah, I'll see you guys at Gerline's, I think. I don't know.